Are you tired of juggling your Trello tasks and Apple Calendar separately? In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly sync Trello with your Apple Calendar so all your tasks and deadlines appear right alongside your events, keeping you organized and stress-free. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, whether that's with Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or just your email. Once you're in, navigate to the specific Trello board you want to sync. Remember, this is the board that will show up in your Apple Calendar. Next, open the menu on the right side of your board and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups add extra features to your board, and one of them is the calendar. Click the gear icon next to the calendar power-up to access its settings. Then hit Enable Sync. You'll see a URL appear labeled your personal iCal feed. This is what connects Trello to your Apple Calendar. Copy it. Now, switch over to Apple Calendar. From the top menu, choose File, then New Calendar Subscription. Paste the iCal feed URL you just copied, hit Subscribe, and adjust the sync settings if you like, such as how often the calendar refreshes. And just like that, your Trello board is fully synced with Apple Calendar. Every task and due date will now show up alongside your other events, giving you a clear view of your schedule and helping you stay on top of everything. Syncing Trello with Apple Calendar bridges the gap between task management and scheduling, making sure you never miss a deadline again. Try it out and watch your productivity soar.